Hi, this is Sebastiaan van from socialanxietysolutions.com. I'm a former social anxiety disorder sufferer and a social confidence coach. And in this 2-minute video, I'm going to give you the truth about rejection. And it's a particular mindset that isn't just a mindset, it's the actual truth. But most people suffer more from rejection because they don't understand this truth. So what is this truth? Well, the truth is that people are actually not rejecting you. Now you might say, well, that's not my experience. They actually are rejecting me, and they have been for a long time. Yes, but it's actually not you that they're rejecting. So what do I mean by that? Well, they're rejecting your behavior, or they're rejecting your vibe. And that's ultimately not who you are. So when I meet someone and that person is really seeking my approval, that's not a very nice vibe to be around. Or when someone is really anxious around me, that's not a very nice vibe to be around. If someone is trying to impress me, you can feel that, you can sense that energy. If someone is very insecure, you can sense that energy, and it's not very nice to be around. So that's what people are rejecting, because the energy that is around you is not very attractive. It's not very, oh wow, I want to spend more time in that energy. It's more like a bit of a repulsive energy. And so that's what people reject, because people want to feel good. They don't want to feel bad. So what does that mean? Well, that means that there's nothing wrong with you inherently. It just means that your vibe is off. So you might have beliefs or patterns or emotions that cause you to feel insecure or to seek approval or to be anxious. And that's something that you can change. So there's nothing fundamentally wrong with you, and there's nothing, it's just these patterns in your mind. It's just that old stuff that keeps repeating itself. And luckily, you can actually shift and change that around so that your vibe becomes very comfortable and at ease and nice for people to be around, and they won't reject you anymore. Okay? So hope it's been helpful. I release more videos like this every week, every Thursday. You can subscribe here so you'll be alerted. Do that now. And I'll talk to you soon. Get my free social confidence starter kit. Click on the link below. You get 10 free videos that help you become comfortable with you, that help you get a great vibe. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.